Majestic 12, a secret group shrouded in mystery. But could their work have extended beyond US borders? Did other nations collaborate on top-secret space technology? Some declassified files suggest that during the height of the Cold War, a secretive group known as Majestic 12, or MJ-12, was formed by high-ranking government officials and military leaders. MJ-12 reached out to allies across the globe, forging covert partnerships with other nations. Their goal? To pool resources and knowledge for advanced aerospace projects, pushing the boundaries of technology and innovation. They were also rumored to be deeply involved in the study of extraterrestrial phenomena, investigating UFO sightings and other unexplained events. These efforts were shrouded in secrecy, fueling speculation and conspiracy theories that persist to this day. Programs like Canada's Project Magnet and the UK's Ministry of Defence UFO desk hint at shared interests. Could these efforts have been connected to MJ-12's covert operations? Some whistleblowers claim that secret bases from Pine Gap in Australia have been shrouded in mystery for decades. These bases are often the subject of intense speculation and conspiracy theories. To Kapustin Yar in the Soviet Union, which has its own share of enigmatic stories and classified operations. Both locations are said to be integral parts of a much larger covert network. This network spans across the globe, connecting various research sites that are believed to be involved in highly secretive projects. These facilities are often hidden from public view and operate under strict confidentiality. Could these have been used to test technology derived from alien encounters? The possibility has intrigued researchers and enthusiasts alike, sparking debates and investigations. The truth remains elusive, but the questions persist. What exactly is being tested and who is behind these operations? Today, international collaborations are common in space exploration, but could these partnerships trace their origins to the covert efforts of MJ-12 and their global counterparts? From secret summits to shared technology, the journey of international space collaboration has been a fascinating one. Over the decades, nations have come together, setting aside differences to explore the final frontier. The truth about MJ-12's global reach remains hidden, shrouded in mystery and speculation. These secretive operations have sparked countless theories and debates among enthusiasts and experts alike. Subscribe to emgotv1 for more stories that uncover the secrets of international collaboration and the unknown. Dive deep into the enigmatic world of MJ-12 and other covert operations that have shaped our understanding of space and beyond.